Hey guys, welcome to California Travel Shots. In this video, we're going to be exploring a little bit about Williams, Arizona, the railway to the Grand Canyon, up to the Majestic Grand Canyon. Welcome guys, welcome to the Majestic Grand Canyon, known as the Seven Wonders of the World. If you guys are wondering how I was able to arrive to the Grand Canyon, it all started in the city called Williams, Arizona. Williams is a city in northern Arizona, and it's known as the gateway to the Grand Canyon National Park via the Grand Canyon Railway. As you head into the mountains and head into the Ponderosa Forest of Williams, you will feel the stress depart and a sense of calm appear. Williams is only a short 30-minute drive from Flagstaff, 2.5-hour drive from Valley Phoenix, or 3.5 hours from Las Vegas. Take I-17 north out of Phoenix or I-40 west of Flagstaff, or drive east from Kingsman. Williams is the perfect launching point to the adventure at the Grand Canyon National Park. As I let you guys watch this majestic view of the Grand Canyon, please stay tuned and watch this video for more information. Here at the majestic Grand Canyon, a place full of wonder and nature and awe, this natural masterpiece is a unique story of the Earth's ancient past. Its scale is simply breathtaking, with vastness and depth that leaves visitors feeling bold. The changing light throughout the day, the vibrant colors of the rocks, and the panoramic views from the rim all contribute to an unforgettable experience here at the Grand Canyon. At the Grand Canyon in Arizona is home to the immense Grand Canyon with its layers bands of red rock revealing millions of years of geological history. The Grand Canyon is part of the Colorado River, which develops over the past 70 million years. The Grand Canyon National Park is one of the world's primary natural attractions, attracting about 5 million visitors per year. The Grand Canyon is known for its visually overwhelming size and integrated colorful landscape. Geologically, it is significant because the thick sequence of the ancient rocks that are well preserved and exposed in the walls of the canyon. These rock layers record much of its early geologic history of the North American continent. Grand Canyon National Park is bigger than the entire state Rhode Island. The park comes in at a massive 1,904 square miles, while Rhode Island is around 1,212 square miles. In some places, the canyon itself is over a mile deep, 10 miles across. Temperatures vary greatly within the canyon, from the rims of the canyon to its lowest point. The depths of the Grand Canyon are notoriously hot during the summer, while the north rim is often below freezing in winter. The canyon itself is full of hidden caves. There are an estimate of 1,000 caves within the canyon, but only 335 have been recorded. Only one cave is open to the public. No one is completely sure about the age of the Grand Canyon. It was long believed that the Colorado River started carving out the canyon 6 million years ago, but recent studies have shown this process have actually started 70 million years ago.